Hey Bellas, hey gorgeous, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am so excited because I really love to do something different today, and it is a celebrity makeup look. Since every girls are trying to be like a celebrity, and they even wanted to copy what they are doing, their makeup, their beauty secrets, their style, their fashion shows, that celebrity is an influencer. So what is one thing about the celebrity that makes them exceptional and stunning, of course? And if you want to be like that, and then this is the right time for you to enjoy learning the do's and don'ts of creating a makeup look for a celebrity. Remember that makeup for a celebrity is something natural. You doesn't need to hide every flaws because we are not supposed to hide everything and conceal all those imperfections in your face. Remember that you have to accentuate everything that you have. Just highlight the features that you have, and that is the secret of the celebrities. So if you want that magic, let's do this! Abracadabra! So I'm going to use a Mercier primer. And of course, I'm gonna mix that with a MAC strobing cream. And once you have the primer with you, your foundation will last forever. So definitely you want it to feel hydrated all the time. I'm gonna use a Givenchy Matissime Velvet. And I do my foundation like a dot all over. Like that. So dot, dot, dot. Use a Radiance Camouflage Cream Concealer. And then after that, you can just use a sponge for smoothing out everything. Do this softly into your skin. So that's it. So after setting up your foundation and your concealer, all you have to do is use this brush and try to mimic the strand of your eyebrow. So just keep on brushing both of your eyebrow. So I just have the pigments here in my brush and just continue doing that. Just try to get in the center first and then go onto the tail. And here on the last part, you have to make sure that it's going to be like a hair. So you have to go up in that position. Mimic the hair. So that's it. So easy to make your eyebrow. So after my eyebrow and making it so real and natural, I'm gonna go ahead with my eyeliner. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow palette from MAC. So I'm just gonna be mixing these two colors together. So that's it. That is my eyeshadow. So now I am ready for my falsies. I'm gonna use the DUB glue for my eyelashes. See, so it's so easy to attach your eyelashes when you do the mascara first. So now you can do it into the other side of your eyes. So after my falsies, I'm gonna use the Hyper Sharp eyeliner from Maybelline. So in cleaning up your eyebrow, all you have to do is use your Kryolan Concealer Camouflage. There. So use your fingertip just to blend up the edges of your eyebrow. And this is just how you easily clean up everything up, so that you could have some definition and sharpness into your eyebrow. There you are. Now you can see and tell the difference between this and this. So you just have to do it at the other side of your eyes. There you are, and then use your finger to blend everything out together. And after blending out your concealer at the edges of your eyebrow, all you have to do is set it up with a little powder with this small brush. So I'm going to go ahead with my Revlon concealer. Just use your finger to blend everything out again. And then you just have to use the small sponge like this to even out or blend the concealer together. Just tap a bit to set the concealer. Will not gonna get off. Now that you set up your concealer, I'm going to use a bronzer from MAC. And I'm going to use this brush from my bronzer. So after my bronzer bronzer, I'm gonna apply my NARS blush and in Orgasm. I'm just gonna start applying my highlights here at the sides. And also I want to put some highlights here at the sides of my eyes. So I'm going to be using this white eyeliner from NYX. So to continue, I'm going to apply like a silver eyeliner under my eyes. First, I'm going to outline my lips with a lip liner. So after lining up my lips with a lip liner, I'm going to use a Chanel lipstick. I'm going to put a little bit more on the top of my lips with a Revlon lip stain just here at the center, and use my finger to blend everything up. So once you have your lip stain on top of your lipstick and your concealer, all you have to do is just use a gloss, a clear gloss. Just at the center. So at the end, just set up everything up and clean it up once more. So after setting off your makeup, all you have to do is have a setting spray, and this is from MAC, and it would give you a really good glow and make your skin so glowy and radiant. So that's it. So just try to dry it up a bit. So guys, this is the final result of my makeup. Just like a celebrity and models, you doesn't need to cover up so much for this makeup trend, and all you have to do is to emphasize and enhance all those features that you already have that is truly beautiful. And that is the secret of all these celebrities and models, because for models, having too much going on into their face, too much colors and too much coverage can make them look unreal. So remember that the key to the makeup trend 2020 or for the next year to come is all about who you are as a person, that people can see through your best picture, and that is the real trend of makeup today. Before, we used to conceal all the flaws that we have, all the pigmentations that we have, but now revealing it all through your makeup and not concealing it too much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So don't be afraid on your flaws. Continue to be who you are. Continue to embrace your flaws and live with that and accentuate all the beauty features that you have. And that is the key to a celebrity makeup look. Please do subscribe on my channel if you want to learn more. Comment down below and I will be glad to do it for you. See you later, guys.